Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. What's going on? T-Bone, what's going on?
No power, no lights.
She's disappeared.
No lights now, no power. I don't know, just walking up a pack pot.
She can't cope. There's no power. Woke up to no power. And when there's no power, we can't put the lights on. I'm all about the house power. And we can't get the bed back up, so I had to crawl under the bed, crawl into the cab. Engine's running right now to put some juice into the house battery so we can get the bed up and put the lights on. So that's running at the moment, but it's 6 o'clock in the morning, I think. Isn't it?
Yeah.
20 past 6. And there is other van lifers.
I look like
Hey?
a poodle.
You look like a poodle. Hang on. Apparently she looks like a poodle.
What the frick? What are you doing?
What do you mean you look like a poodle?
My hair. Well, I put it in the pack because it was wet last night, so I couldn't bother to hair dry it, and it's a mistake, isn't it, when you do that? So,
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, we need coffee.
Yeah. Look, we haven't even done the washing up from last night, that's skanky.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
So, good thing is now we do have some power, so I'll put some lights on. There we go. Nice. Okay. Let's start the day. So now it is 7:45 in the morning. Just spoke to my good friend Danny, who's gonna find my 5th gear. He says he knows what it is. I believe him. But first, I've got to clean this mess up. Yeah. Yeah, mess. Right. Something about the bobble vans, if you didn't know, if you've got one of these or getting one of these, you can actually set it. I know I have said in past videos that you can't heat the water up at the same time as heating the van up. Well, it does have a setting which you can set the temperature of the van, so I've set it to 18 degrees, and it will heat the van up to 18 degrees, and then it will flick over and heat water. And then when the van drops below 18 degrees, it will flick back and put more air into the van. So not sure if you can see the screen on there, but it's basically saying the van is 18 degrees, the water's 56.3. So yeah, I'm gonna do the washing up. Now that water is piping hot, only at 55 degrees. Now Tracy had a shower last night and it was at 65 degrees and she had a cold shower. And we couldn't figure out why there was no hot water coming through. I think it's to do with the mixer tap. I think that when she starts the shower, she has the mixer tap in the middle, and it's something to do with pressure. I don't know the exact magic behind it, but I think, like I just did then, I had the hot water tap on, cold water tap completely not on because it's a mixer, so it's just on hot, and then it comes out hot. So I think when you have the shower, you should have it on hot, and then just sort of edge in the cold water to get it down to a warm temperature for the shower. I never have cold shower, that's how I do it, so I should imagine that's what it is. It is a low pressure pump in here, and I know that the pressure on the hot water is lower than the cold, so maybe it's something to do with that. But I will test that theory out later when I have a shower. Don't worry, I'm not taking you into the shower with me this time.
batteries and 6 magnet rounds. However,
Right, looking more presentable in driving mode. I'll get rid of those bottles later. But yeah, 9:10. Let's get off. See if we can get this van sorted. It's alive. It's alive. Luckily we don't have to go in reverse. First, second, third, fourth, lovely. Fifth, not really. Reverse, nah. But my good man Danny reckons he knows what's going on, so let's get down there. Steamed up in here. I'm hoping, obviously, if any of you have one of these vans and you're having problems with your gears, that this can help you too. If you go back on past video, you can see what the problem was. It was the return shaft, I want to call it, snapped, which is common in these pre-1991 versions of this van, which is like the Mark 1. They were recalled after that, but you can have it welded, which is exactly what we did. Put it back in, but I don't have fifth and reverse. Well, I do, but not very well. So there is some adjustments that you can do, I think. But we'll have a look. So here we go. Hopefully the van will behave itself. Such a blind bend coming around there. Let's go. Hey, you are the passenger.
yards, turn right onto Carden Avenue.
Sorry, you're going to be jiggling around a bit because the stand you're on is not very good.
Take the next right onto Carden Avenue.
Also, it's an opportunity to get some power because our power is really low. So I've only got the house battery. So this gives us a bit of DC power. The sun looks like it might come out. You can never have enough power. Did a wheel spin. Go on, Grace. Come on, baby. Tell you what, for a tiny little engine, she does alright. It's like a 1.9, I think, petrol. Go on. So I mean, first, second, third, fourth, no problem. It's a lot tighter than it used to be as well, but it's a lot tighter than it's ever been. So I think that that's been on its way out for ever since I've had the van, to be honest. It used to be like a bowl of soup, really sloppy. It's just got worse and worse. So we're 10 minutes away, so just sit back, enjoy the ride. And I dare say the other gears are better than they've ever been. It all seems to be too far over this way as well, if that makes any sense. Everything seems to be over here, it's hitting me in the leg.
Merge onto A27.
But I don't know if that's a thing or not, but we'll try it. Run steam. Let's see if I can get fifth. Oh, we got fifth. Oh no, that's third. Nah, no fifth. Thought we had it. See if I can do it again.
2 miles.
Yeah.
Take the A2038 exit towards Hove.
Nah, nothing. No fifth. No fifth today. Alright. So I'm going to have to stick it like 45 miles an hour. Luckily it's not far. Sorry. Another thing I've been doing as well is I've been putting the good petrol in, the super, which seems to be better for it. It seems to run better, plus I'm getting slightly better miles per gallon. There's a van coming right up my inside and I'll need to get over. Don't undertake.
In a quarter of a
quite high. So we'll look at maybe adjusting that as well. You know, it does work okay, but it's just I have to kind of
Exit the roundabout onto King George VI Avenue.
I have to kind of like raise my leg quite high. I'm only equal.
Continue on King George VI Avenue for half a mile.
Okay, we're going to be there really shortly, so we'll see what's what when we get there. Right, there's our gear linkage. Danny thinks it's to do with underneath the plate. So he's going to go under. He's going to go under Grace's undercarriage again. He loves him under there, and make an adjustment. It's blooming cold out here, I tell you. And Danny walks around in shorts. Something suspicious about that, you know. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure. I think so. Reverse went in. I'm not sure if that's 5 or not. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got to be in it. Reverse. That's 3. 3, 5. I think so. Alrighty, so all done. So basically what Danny did there was that little bar at the back of the gear linkage, made that slightly shorter, and obviously kept getting me to test the gears as he was doing it bit by bit until we were satisfied.
Take the next right towards Crowhurst Road, then turn right.
Until we were
Take the
satisfied.
next right towards Crowhurst Road.
Until we were satisfied, and now it works great. So, well happy with that.